Every day starts the same. Just one more scroll, one more minute, and suddenly hours disappear. He keeps waiting for motivation to magically appear, but deep down, he already knows something has to change. Then one day, he realizes something scary. His future is being built by today's habits. So he makes one tiny decision, not a huge life change, just one better choice. He starts small, a few notes, a few focused minutes, nothing dramatic, just consistent. And slowly, those tiny actions begin changing how he feels about himself. Day after day, progress stacks up. Confidence doesn't appear overnight, it's earned quietly. Soon, the person who once felt stuck starts feeling capable, stronger, more alive. And eventually, he meets the version of himself he used to dream about. Your future self is watching your choices today. Start small, but start now.
In today's video, we are going to learn how to make that kind of stick figure animation videos based on amazing scripts. Let's have a look at these channels. You must have seen this kind of stick figure animation videos on internet getting crazy views over the time. You can see their views, and their script is based on psychological impacts on human brain. You can see that they do not even animate their videos. They just put some scenes and with crazy hooks over their statements. Most of their videos have more than thousands of views. Some of those videos also cross hundred thousands of views. Also some crossing millions. If you go to their popular section, you will see that they have millions of views. It's because of their script, their animation style, and their hooks over their script. So let's learn how to make this kind of videos. So I'll share you prompts, and based on those prompts you'll get scripts similar like this kind of animation, and I will also share how to make stick figure animations like them too. So we have a prompt. Here's the prompt. I'll add the link to this prompt in the description box, so be sure to collect it from there. You'll get it into my website as well. So here we have to copy this whole prompt, the first part till here, this part, not this one. Just copy it first and then go to ChatGPT and paste it here, and then do not hit enter. Go back to our prompt again, and now copy this one prompt and go back to ChatGPT again, and we have to paste that second part that we just copied here inside topic box. So just paste it here. I'll just paste it here, and we are done. And now you can hit generate. So after hitting generate, you will see that ChatGPT is generating a video topic that is my future is watching me, or your future is watching you. I mean, it has many scenes along with the same description prompts. So Stickman base prompt will be this, then scene 1 will be this. And now we need to go to Gemini AI. So just enter into Gemini, select this tab and drag it here into this corner. Leave it here to make it as split windows. Here I have the split window. Now what we're gonna do, we will just copy these prompts one by one and generate our images. I mean, just copy scene 1 from here, this prompt, scene 1 prompt, and paste it here. Select create image and hit on generate. So now Gemini will create our image. Here our first image is ready. Just like this, from scene 2, 3, and rest of the scenes repeat the same process to generate all these images. Paste it here and hit on generate. And save the images proper name sequence. Suppose I will save this image as scene 1. So I'll just select a folder here, naming it, and rename this file as image 1. And then our second image is also ready. I'll save this one image as image 2. Just like this, just repeat the same process every time to generate all the images. Come back to Google Chrome and then go to Google Vids. Enter into their website, and if you are not signed in, just sign in with your Google account. So I'll just sign in using my Gmail account, and then you will see something like this interface. So select landscape, as I am using landscape for now, and then VEO3. And now we have this. Now we need to paste our prompt here. Go back to our prompts, and this is part 2 that we will use to generate our scene videos. Just copy the prompt of scene 1 and go back to video 3, paste it here, this section. Select our first image by clicking on ingredients, select the image 1, open. Google Vids has started generating our clip. Just wait for a while till it finishes our video generation. Now here is our video ready. As you can see, I've generated the same scene twice because this first video was not perfect. The animation, as you can see, there's a hand also, it has two hands, but this one seems close to perfect according to what I want. So just hit on insert. This video is inserted here. You can play it, then go to this option, file, then hit on download, select whatever format you want. We will select MP4 video and it will start downloading. Just like this, repeat the whole process for every video since. So I'll just rename this video just like I have renamed all the images. This one will be V1. This is important to arrange your clips properly. So for the second video scene, we will go back to our prompts again to repeat the same process. Just copy it and paste it here and cross this, close this image, go back to our images again, select the second image and hit on open and then hit on generate. Wait for a while till the generation is finished. Repeat the same process to generate all the scenes till video 10 clip. So once you are done generating all the clips, now it's time to generate the voiceover. Go back to your Google Chrome and search Google AI Studio to generate our voiceover all at once. So enter into their website and hit on get started. So from here, you have to select the model, speech and music and select the voiceover you want. So I'll just select Gemini 3 Flash, click there and then select your model. So I'll just select this one.
What sparks your interest?
Tap on it and it will be here. Now go back to our prompts. The voiceover script from this scene 1, select the whole script and go back to our Chrome here in Google Studio. Just paste it here and hit on run.
Every day starts the same. Just one more scroll, one more minute, and suddenly hours disappear.
So if you do not like this pace, go to the speaker model again and select the pace as rapid fire and then close it and hit on run again.
Every day starts the same. Just one more scroll, one more minute, and suddenly hours disappear. He keeps waiting for motivation to magically appear, but deep down, he already knows something has to change. Then one day, he realizes something scary. His future is being built by today's habits. So he makes one tiny decision, not a huge life change, just one better choice. He starts small, a few notes, a few focused minutes, nothing dramatic, just consistent.
So this pace, I like this pace because I needed the fast paced voiceover. So I'll just download it. And now we need to edit or rearrange our clips. So go to CapCut PC or you can edit on whatever software you are comfortable with. So I'll just use CapCut. So you can use Premiere Pro or Filmora, whatever you are using. So we just need a basic software, basic video editing software. So import all of your clips here one by one in a sequence. So now you can see it's easy to recognize the video clips as I will just import them here. You can see video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of them are sequenced properly and aligned properly. Now we need to import our voiceover as well. So I will import our voiceover too. Just drag your audio clip here. And now we need to arrange or edit our clips so it matches our voiceover. So I'll just select our clips and make the speed a little higher so it matches our voiceover. Is perfect now. So let's see the video. Yes, it has matched perfectly here. We will be close enough. Yes, it has matched. So this is our final video. You can also add transitions, effects if you want. There are lots of transitions here.
Every day starts the same. Just one more scroll, one more minute, and suddenly hours disappear.
Change it to compound clip and then decrease or lower its audio volume to this.
Stronger, more alive. And eventually, he meets the person who once felt stuck starts feeling capable. Every day starts the same.
So also, if you want these watermarks to be gone from here, this one, you can just use your own watermark in this area or just change the ratio to 4:3. Select the whole clip and kill this watermark out of your video. So this looks perfect to me as everything is out of the whole video. You can see the whole watermark is out of it. So this looks perfect.
Every day starts the same. Just one more scroll, one more minute.
So that's how you can progress with your story. Keep generating these videos using VEO3 and Google AI Studio. So it's really helpful for me to generate this kind of stick animation video because this is a viral, very viral, trendy niche, and it always works because it is a psychological niche that works on self-motivation, career goals, opportunities, and lots of psychological statements. So try this out. Use Google VEO3, use Google Flow Ultra Plan, and you can make this kind of videos just in minutes. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. This is Howzia.